forces. I offer my condolences to the people, to the policemen also who have been killed. And an ideal situation in Kashmir should arrive wherein Muslims of Kashmir live peacefully, the lakhs of Pandits who are living outside Kashmir should return back, the Sikhs should live peacefully. That is an ideal situation. Now, having said that, 65 people have been killed, and from the lowest age of 8, June 11, Tufail died. Then Milad from Falgaon, 8 years old. 9-year-old Samir Ahmed was trampled by security forces in Batmalu. To the 45-year-old fruit vendor, to a retired ASI. What is happening whenever funeral processions are being taking place? The security forces are firing on them. And what is happening by killing people of Kashmir? It is not stopping them from coming out. In fact, it is making them more aggressive. And I would like to go and say, without any prejudice to the Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, he is a good friend of mine. But the honest speaking should be done over here, and that is he has completely failed in terms of providing administration. What is the situation now over there? That the protesters, the Kashmiris, it is Kashmiris versus the security forces. There is no buffer zone now. And the administration, the more we talk about administration, is less. To cover a distance of 8 kilometers, the Chief Minister to go and meet the injured people have to travel by helicopter. This is the governance over there. And the person who had thrown a shoe over the Chief Minister, though the Chief Minister in the month of Ramadan had forgiven him. But what happened? That man was given a hero's welcome in his village. A hero's welcome in his village. And instead of improving the situation, armaments are being improved. I can give an example, sir, wherein one boy, it is a pellet injury. When post-mortem was done, there were different holes in his intestine. Is this how we are going to control? And now what is happening, sir? From last 6 weeks, the Jama Masjid of Srinagar is closed. In this month of Ramadan, people cannot go out and play the nightly prayer of Taraweeh. Hazrat Bal is locked. Local masjids are locked. I would like to take this opportunity. I know, Farooq Saab, let me complete. I know I am not yielding. I am not yielding.
Minister.
No, I am not yielding.
Minister,
I know.
I think time has come. He should be corrected.
Hazrat
Bal is not locked. You don't want to listen to the truth. Hazrat Bal is not locked.
No, let me complete.
Hazrat Bal is not locked. You take your words back.
You cannot speak to me in this
Hazrat Bal is not locked.
Please.
I have the
Take your
right
words
to say
back.
what is right. Let me speak what is
Hazrat Bal is
right.
not locked.
Please address.
I have the right
You
to
are
say.
giving wrong information to the House.
You can clarify. You don't think I am under your pressure?
No.
Nobody should be interrupted by
No.
the minister, particularly from Kashmir. This gives a wrong message to the whole nation.
No. That I can't. No.
You mean to say I should keep quiet? He is speaking wrong to the House.
Gupta, Das Gupta, please. Nothing will go on the
How can I stop?
Nothing. No, you take your seat, please. You take your seat.
Wrong information.
No, please. No, please take your seat. Please move.
Wrong information.
Please, very briefly you say.
Sir, you watch my time, sir.
No,
I am not interrupting
time
anyone.
watching, I am already watching.
watch
Please
my
be
time.
very brief. I am already watching.
Only in Ramadan, for one last Friday, the Jama Masjid opened. Why don't you allow the people to go out and pray in their local masjid? Why don't you allow the people to protest? Is it not right, Mr. Abdullah, that because
No,
of...
if you are addressing, you will answer. That is
No,
the problem.
no,
Why you are addressing?
Okay,
You
sir.
address the chair.
You can delete it, sir.
Yes. Right. Please.
Is it not right, sir? Is it not right that because of curfew, small baby food is not available, medicines are not available, people are dying, starving because of basic necessities, and that too in this holy month of Ramadan? And then in the statement of the Honorable Home Minister says that a quiet dialogue is happening. He is right to say that nothing is secret, but I would like to know how is it possible that details are known in the press, that how Mirwais Umar Farooq was called to Khan Market. Apparently Khan Market is a favorite joint for all Kashmiri leaders. He was called to Khan Market inside an optical palace, and then he was told to go out from another door of the optical palace to meet, to have a dialogue. How can this come out in the newspaper? How can this come out in a newspaper? That's what I'm saying. The details of it. And what has happened? You have discredited Mirwais Umar Farooq. And because of we not give anything to him, what has happened? hardcore separatists like Gilani, his returns in Kashmir. He says, no, we'll open on Sunday. Kashmir is open on Sunday. He says we'll close on Saturday. It is being closed on Sunday. What is happening, sir? Youngsters are doing ragda with that hardcore separatists like Alam. Bullets are being fired at them. In conclusion, I would like to say, sir, I would like to bring to note the Honorable Home Minister that it is for the Congress party also to see that heavy political marginalization is being taking place over there. The great steps that were taken by the Congress party in the leadership of the Azad or whatever happened. What is happening over there? Public, please, Sattapati, I don't agree with all your views.
Please.
I don't agree with all your views.
Please,
So you
please
can
address
stick to your
please.
views.
No
You are a
comments, no
pressman,
interview,
you have
no
all right to
comments
say
from
that.
other side. Please let him speak.
Sir, in conclusion, I like to say
Yes.
that open the masjids. Tomorrow is Friday. Let all these masjids be open. If people want to protest, let them protest. Why has bullet become the first option? How much killings can happen, you say? The more you kill, the more tough it's going to get. So in conclusion, sir, I would say release political prisoners. Stop this clampdown. Third, let us remove the Public Safety Act. And fourth issue, sir, if we cannot remove the Armed Forces Special Powers Act, why can't we take it off from civilian areas? Because that is where the stone pelting is happening. That is where the army bunkers are there. And also, why can't we control our security forces that for everything they have to fire on people? And killing where small children are being killed. The Honorable Girija Vyas, Congress leader, had appealed to the Kashmiri women, don't give stones in the hands of your children. The question is, how can a mother who has carried her son in her womb for 9 months will be forced to say, here, take this stone and throw it on the police? What is the reason behind that? That is the success. If we go behind and see the question, why is she telling her children to take a stone and throw, then we'll find our answers. And then lastly, sir, about this threatening letter of being issued to Sikhs, I condemn it. But at the same time, I would like to bring note to the August House that what happened in Chhattisgarh Pura, those people who have been killed, let the Kashmiri ministers answer over here. In Chhattis Singh Pura, the people who were butchered and massacred, of Sikhs were massacred. Later on, when their bodies were taken out, they were known to be local people. What happened in Baramulla, Nadihal? Army major gives money to laborers and kills them to get a reward. What is the message we are sending, sir? And then let it be. In Kupwara, 70-year-old man was killed. Later on, when his body was exhumed, it was known that he was a local beggar. Is this the message we are going to send? So I would feel, sir, I totally agree that a parliamentary delegation should go. I am not for Umar Abdullah to be removed. I want him to complete his term. Whether he is popular or not popular, that the people will decide. But we have a right, sir, to send a message. Kashmir is part of our India. We love Kashmir, but why don't we love the Kashmiris? It is high time we love Kashmiris. Then only this problem can be addressed in the right way, sir. Thank you, sir.
Mr. Rajendran. You agree? No, I will call you next. No, he is speaking.